Hello everyone. Today we are reading the adjectives part 2. As in the part 1 I had explained you about the definition of adjectives, that the adjectives are those words which describes about the noun or which qualifies the noun or the pronoun. Fine. Then after I have told you about the 6 types of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number. Then after I had told you about this possessive adjective. After that I had told you about these interrogative adjectives, and then after this one demonstrative adjectives. So now today we are reading this one, the adjectives and their different forms. So as in we have read about the kinds of adjectives. The second thing is that the adjectives has been divided into 3 types of forms. The first one is this positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. I think you must have read this thing before also. So now students, first of all I am telling you about the positive one. The positive is basic, the very basic term, the basic adjective. Fine. Like clever, second is heavy, and the third is hot. Fine. So if there is that the milk is hot, fine. Second, this person is clever, be it like Ayushi is clever. Second is comparative, where you are comparing two things. Okay, so in that term we use er. Okay, we add er in those terms, as in you can see here clever plus er, cleverer. So here I can when there are two people, fine, as in I'm giving you an example, like Ayushi is cleverer than any another student's name. Fine. Now the third is superlative. Superlative means the one who is best amongst all. So now here the third one is superlative degree, which is best or worst amongst the all. So means here there is no comparison in between two, but there is we always say is that superior in all, like cleverest. Okay, so be it like any student, Ravi is cleverest in the class. Okay, heaviest, so we can say that the mountain is, okay, the rocks are the heaviest material of this world. Hottest, so here the burning या फिर you can say the scorching sun is hottest in this world. Fine. So this is what we call superlative degree. So see, when you will see this chart now, here in this second wala part it is given that comparative formed by adding er. Okay, so it is clear, I told you that we will be adding er, but there are some of the adjectives in which we add more. Okay, and some of the adjectives are also there in which we add some another things also. And superlative forms with est, here you can see it is written. Fine. The next one is here, you can see the next line given, comparative formed by adding more or less. Okay, so we add more, and then after superlative formed by adding most or least. Okay, so basically these are also the term. Okay, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Then after you can see here some irregular adjectives are given: good, better, best. Then after much, more, most, bad, worse, worst. So these are also few of the adjectives in which we have comparative and superlative degree in different forms. So I think now you must have cleared that what is an adjectives and what are their different forms in a form of comparison and superlatives. Fine.